Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. And then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo and simply tap on add picture. So now you can either choose it from your gallery or immediately open the camera app to take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. In Google Photos, you've got your own backed up photos and illustrations which are free of charge, and they are available online, so you can choose something from those options. And I think I will pick maybe something from the science and medicine. As you can see, you've got a lot of albums, a lot of things to choose from, so just mark the option. Here you've got also the presets, so you can change the colors. It's totally up to you, and you can also zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contacts will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.